All right, major Luna Classic update. Of course, we have the Luna Classic, Terra Luna Classic parity upgrade, but now news out that Binance is going to be supporting the Terra Classic parity upgrade. The L1TF now awaits a Google update. We've seen the price action of Terra Luna Classic really rise here in the last few days. And you go out to the 1 month, we've had a couple nice pops in the price here on Luna Classic. So that has been some really bullish news, and we're trying to stay basically above this number right here and trying to get back to that 301 level, which I think we will. To dive back into some of the specifics here, the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, on Wednesday, that it'll support the Terra Luna Classic network's biggest V2 1.1 upgrade as the community officially passed that proposal 11561, which will bring the blockchain to parity with Terra 2.0 and other Cosmos chains. What will this do? Well, it's essentially going to allow projects and developers to once again build and bring dApps on the Terra Classic chain. It's massive, right? This is exactly what you want. When we go way back to the big burst that Luna Classic had, if you remember watching the videos that we put out right here on the channel, I said, if Terra Luna Classic wants to have staying power and come back to fruition, they need developers. They need development to start happening. Well, this big proposal that passed will certainly allow us to get there. Now, core developer joint L1 task force, L1TF, awaits Google now to update the Chrome extension as well as more COSM WASM components will not function and will impact dApps until Google applies their update. So, again, this is coming out this morning. Now, Binance will suspend LUNC and USTC deposits and withdrawals through the Terra Luna Classic network at 13 UTC. The trading activity will not get impacted during the network upgrade, while users can continue to trade LUNC and USTC. So again, this is going to happen at block height 13215800, expected today at 14 UTC. And it says here from the LUNC burn army, it should be noted that we heard from TVL that Google can take some time to update, sometimes days. Again, let's all be patient with them until they apply their update. And of course, all of this news has produced some nice upside momentum in the price of Luna Classic. It actually jumped 15% yesterday as a ton of LUNC whales and retail investors alike anticipate a major rally after the upgrade due to significant improvements in upcoming plans and just more developments, right, on chain. So continue to keep tabs on this. It's great news for Luna Classic holders. Appreciate you guys as always. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more content. If it's your first time dropping in, we talk about all things crypto every single day here on the channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.